Hello viewer, we are going to create the shapes here. I will take it, make another one there. So let's take next option. So here it is. I will apply on it. Keep using the designs. Made it there around that. So we are using that shape here. So let's use that color. Apply around it. Made a picture there. Use the pattern.